Hey guys, welcome back to Modeling Manhood. I got another painful story to tell you guys today. So I was helping an individual. We were trying to get these small rings. If you guys have ever seen like E-clips or something to kind of hold like on an axle or like a shaft that kind of clips over the end like that and slides on. And I was like holding it down, and they were like trying to pry it around with the screwdriver, and the screwdriver slipped and went up underneath my fingernail all the way to where the color changes. And oh my goodness, it hurt so bad. And I'll tell you guys the rest of the story. So I want you guys to imagine that was you, and somebody just put a screwdriver all the way up in underneath your fingernail. What type of words are going to come out of your mouth? What are you going to say? How are you going to act? In the book of Romans 12:21, super easy verse to remember. 12, flip the 2 and the 1, 21. Romans 12:21. It says, do not be overcome by evil, overcome evil with good. And that definitely was not going through my mind at the moment, but the way I responded and acted, I can honestly say that I did not lose any 4-letter words or 3-letter words or 5-letter words. I remember grabbing my finger and just holding it with the screwdriver in there and just being like, and I'm like walking away, and then I'm like, and when I popped it out, it was like squirting blood out the end of my thumb. It was absolutely disgusting, but I could have lost my cool or said a few things, and there was a few other people there that seen it happen, and they're just like, oh my goodness. And just kind of want you guys to think about situations where you feel like the world's just out to get you, or somebody just inflicted some terrible unnecessary pain on you. Where does your mind go? And I hope that you guys can respond with love, kind of like that verse says, do not be overcome by evil, but overcome evil with good. So I hope you guys can find the good in the world, despite all the evil and darkness that's out there. Get into your Bibles and read it, and remember to mirror your Maker and journey with Jesus.